Hey guys, this is Jehovani coming at you. This morning, I wanted to bless you guys with the way that I do my meal replacement shakes from Nutrilite, the BodyKey, and this is the chocolate flavor. Got a lot of great flavors. I think there's a strawberry and there's another one, but this is what I prefer. And so let's get to it. And I know that some of you have asked me to create a YouTube channel, so this will be the first YouTube channel that I make, or excuse me, the YouTube video that I make for the YouTube channel. So we got a 1 scoop of the Nutrilite chocolate BodyKey replacement shake mix. Got one of those. We got 5 ounces of milk and 5 ounces of water going in. Then let's get banana. Get a banana in there. Banana in there. Got some peanut butter that I like. You guys will like it too. Well, that's if you like peanut butter. Some people don't. Then we got a organic frozen blend of strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries that we're throwing in there. And I personally like to throw in a oatmeal fiber. This one's high in fiber and protein. It's got 7 grams of protein, and I think just right around that for the fiber. So this is what I personally like. And it says only 2.5 grams of total fat for this, which is excellent. Then you get your ice. Get your ice in there. Kind of top it off. And then just give it a whirl, man. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. I appreciate you guys' support. This is the beginning of the YouTube channel for, you know, whatever God has in store. So trust in Him in all I do. Thank you, Jesus. Looking flavor, well not looking, I guess it can't be a flavor, but looks great, looks consistent, I love it, and it tastes even better. And of course, we gotta have the longhorn in there. Come on, team. Alright, enough there, enough blending. Once you feel that it's pretty much done, I don't time it. I just give it a whirl. Look at that. Look at that. Wholesome goodness right there. And you got a little bit more, a little extra there for those of us that are a little extra. So, try it, guys. Man, I had my nephew taste this, and he loved it, so you guys will too. So look forward to seeing you guys again. And again, remember, always look to bless someone, because in turn you'll be a blessing. You're more blessed to be a blessing. So love you guys. Talk to y'all soon. God bless.